Brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to our course, Understand Quran and Salah the Easy Way. First of all, I would say Jazakumullah khair to everyone who has made efforts to arrange this course and get it delivered, and to the one who informed you about it. And congratulations to you, because it is course of the Quran. The first thing that we have to do before we do anything is to plan, because if we fail to plan, we plan to fail. Therefore, first understand the task, make the plan, ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make the task easy, and start it. And if you start walking towards Allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will come to us running. In the Mus'haf from Al-Madinah, or the one used by those who memorize Quran, the Hafidhi Mus'haf, there are 600 pages. Okay, there are 30 juz or paras, so each para has 20 pages, so 30 times 20 is 600. And on each page there are 15 lines. On each page there are 15 lines. And in each line there are around 9 words, approximately 9 words per line. Therefore, on each page there are 15 times 9, 135 words, and we rounded it to 130 words per page. Okay, 130 words per page. And because there are 600 pages and 130 words per page, so the total number of words in the Quran are 78,000. 130 times 600, 78,000. And these are all approximations, 78,000 is an approximation. So we have to understand 78,000 words. That's our task. But mashallah, non-repeated words are only 17,000. Okay, because there are many words, as you know, are repeated in the Quran. So if we remove the non-repeated word, if we remove the repetition and count only the non-repeated words, then they come down to 17,000. So on the average, each word in the Quran is repeated 4 times on the average. But if you learn al-mustasrif, okay, that is, if you know alima, if you know how to make ya'lamun, ta'lamun, alim, ma'lum, ilm, if you can make these derivatives or these forms, different forms or conjugation of the verb, then these 17,000 get reduced to only 4,500. 4,500. By the way, there are only 1,850 roots in the Quran. Root words. Root words are only less than 2,000. 1,850. But for non-Arabs, remember, knowing the roots is not enough, because for example, alima and allama and ta'allama, all of them come from the same root, but all of them mean different, in fact opposite meanings. For example, alima means he knew, allama means he taught, ta'allama means he learned. You see, they are opposite, teaching, learning. So knowing roots is not enough, you have to know the form also. So for a non-Arab like us, like me, we have to learn 4,500 words of the Quran. That's our task, and we have to learn how to make different forms. Jazakumullah khair. Hope to see you in the course. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.